Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Amazon gift card balance. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that you have that gift card with you. Whether it is a physical gift card that has a PIN code on the very back, or most likely it's an email with that link or the code in there, you need that information first. Now, let's head into the Amazon app, or you could go to Amazon.com if you're on a computer. We have two different options. One is if you've already added it to your account, you can check the balance, or the second option is that you can just check the balance by adding it to your account. So on here, let's tap either on the profile button here at the bottom left to get to your account, or tap on those three lines at the very bottom right. Keep in mind on your device, they might be at the top right. Now from here, let's scroll down, or rather scroll over until we get to account. So you're looking for where it says account. And then on here, let's scroll down under orders and account settings. We're going to scroll down until we find payments. And you can see it says manage gift card balance. Let's choose that. You can see at the very top, it says your gift card balance. If you've already added that gift card in, you'll be able to see the balance on there and start buying things using that gift card balance. However, if you don't see that, you can hit the redeem another gift card. Now, when you're on here, you can scan that gift card code, or you can enter in the code here. Keep in mind, it says apply to balance. There's no real way to be able to check Amazon gift card balances without redeeming them. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, Amazon has made it so that if you check that balance, you're essentially adding it in to your account. So if you're sending this to someone else, make sure you don't do this, because essentially after you've done that, if you hit back here, it will be applied to your gift card balance, and you'll have to turn around and buy them another gift card. But after you've done that, after you've redeemed it, it'll basically just be on your account, and then you'll be able to use that to buy things. Now, if you have any issues, you can hit help with gift cards, and you can see help with redeeming a gift card, or to keep your card balance to use later, or if there's any other issues with your gift card, maybe it's damaged or you can't read the numbers or anything like that. Basically, you can just reach out to customer support to have them help walk you through steps, basically options you have to get that account balance on your account, or to give it to someone else if it's a gift. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.